Why can't knives stay on the table overnight? The fact that our ancestors were very superstitious and passed on their bosom to us is no longer a secret. For example, for a very long time they believed that you should not leave a knife on the table for the night, this is a bad omen. Now we also believe that this cannot be done, but many do not even know why. In fact, you can't leave the knife on the table for the night, so as not to spoil relations with brownies and not to make trouble for yourself. Yes, our ancestors also believed in brownies. If you hear in the house some extraneous sounds, rustling, which should not be, know this is a brownie. Therefore, in order to sleep peacefully, our ancestors always tried to appease the brownie and make friends with him. Brownie is essentially a good creature that can protect your home, so you should not make it angry. It's very easy to offend him and then be prepared that he will begin to mischief. One of the things that can make a brownie evil is dirty dishes left overnight and uncleaned sharp objects from the table, primarily a knife. Therefore, if you want to sleep peacefully and then not look for keys around the house, brownies love to hide things, hide the knives for the night. Even if you are not superstitious, better be safe. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.